Hello people, welcome to Gurukula. I'm Jai. So today in this video we are going to see and really an interesting topic and useful topic as well. So today in this video we are going to show you how to take attendance actually, or to pull out the list of attendees whoever attending your online session, especially on Google Meet. So Google Meet is very easy app to conduct online classes or any webinar series, so that if you want to pull out the list of attendees, we can do it with one small Chrome extension. So this video is to show you how to pull out the list of attendees of your session. So just this is an follow-up video. So with this video you can able to pull out the list of attendees for your session you are conducting online. So let's get into the topic. So first of all, to take out the attendance of Google Meet, you should require a Google Chrome browser. So this extension which will work on Google Chrome browser. So you should first search for Chrome Web Store. So Chrome Web Store, you can get into the Chrome Web Store. Just click on the first link what you are seeing here. Just click on the first link, and this will take you to a website where there are tons of extensions available for Google Chrome. So in this particular store you can search for an extension called as Meet Attendance. You can search for Meet Attendance. In Meet Attendance you will have to select the very first thing. So as you could see over here, this is the icon for your Meet Attendance. This is a very small Chrome extension which you can use in your Google Chrome browser. All you have to do is to just click on Add to Chrome. A little pop-up window will pop up. You can just click on Add Extension. So once by doing this, this will add Google Meet Attendance to your Chrome Web Store. So now you can see that the Google Meet Attendance extension is being integrated to your Chrome browser. And also you could see that this is disabled now. This is in gray color. This is not activated. That's all. You are all set to take your attendance. So now what I will do is I will go to my Google Meet session, and then I will create a dummy session for you. So what I will do is I will create a very dummy session for you. So just this since this is an explanatory video, I will just turn off my microphone and then I will turn off my camera as well. So now what I will do is I will just create a meeting for you. So as of now I will be the only one person who will be in this particular meeting. As you can see that the Google Meet have been started. So once it is started, you can see that this extension have turned colorful. So now this extension has access to your Chrome tab. That means your Google Meet tab over here. So what I all have to do is click on this people icon, and there you can see an additional icon which it is introduced after integrating your Chrome web browser. Now we will see how to pull out the attendance. Just click somewhere else, and now when you hover your mouse point on this particular area, that will show you the list of attendees over here. You can see all the defaults set up over here. So you should ensure that all the toggle buttons are turned on. So now in order to take the attendance, what I have to do is just I will have to toggle this switch from off to on. So I will just switch it off, and then again I will switch it on. So when I switch it on, you can see that it has captured one particular attendee in this list. And now in order to see the attendance, I will have to click on this particular area. So when I click this particular area, that will take you to another Google Sheet which is stored on your drive. So this will create a spreadsheet on your Google Drive, and then it will show you the list of attendees at this particular session. So as you could see over here, since I am the only one attending the Google Meet session here, it has listed out the name whichever I have used to log in into my Google Meet data. So as you could see, this Excel sheet is named as Google Meet Attendance, dated this particular date and then the time. So similarly, when say for an example, you can take attendance on different time periods. Let's take for an example, this attendance was taken on the timestamp 9:37. So what you can do is, after some more time at the middle of your session, you can do the same operation again in order to capture the list of attendees at that instant of time. So what I will do is I will just turn it off again, and then I will turn it on again, and then I will click on this particular website. Now what happens is it would have saved another column of data which is recorded at 9:37. So it is just still loading, and once the loading is complete, you can see that it might have listed what all. Since there is no change of attendees over here, it is just listing out over here. So in case so now you can see that there are two columns created, and this column of attendees are taken during the timestamp of 9:37, and this column of attendees have been taken during the timestamp of 9:38. So similarly, you can take or repeat this process for n number of time. For how many instances? You can take attendance once at the start of the session, and at the middle of the session, and at the end of the sessions, so that you will come to know who are all the attendees who have attended the entire session. So instead of just giving you the attendance just for the sake of giving attendance, there might be few people who just have logged in and then logged out immediately. So those attendees you can track out by using this simple extension. So once you are done, you can access this particular Google sheet in your Google Drive itself. It will be available as an Excel sheet, and then you can make your required modifications on the Excel sheet that is required. So that is all about this particular video. I hope this video was useful to you in taking the attendance and to pull out the list of attendance. So I guess this was useful. If there is any doubt, please do let me know in the comment section. I will try to address it as early as possible. So see you in the next video. Thank you.